So I've been getting a lot of requests, especially from students, if I can provide them a copy of the food composition table. But you can actually access the food composition table through this website. All you have to do is sign up for a free account. After creating an account, just log in. And this is how the website looks like after logging in. You just click this leaf and it will reveal the link to the PhilFCT. Then click the continue to the website. The content is still similar with the printed FCT. The foods are divided into categories. But what is good about the website is you can easily search for the food item by typing it in the search bar. So let's say you wanted to search for apple, just type apple and then click submit. The list of foods with apple will appear. Then click the data. It will reveal all of the nutrients present in a per 100 grams edible portion. And there is also another website you can visit in case the food you are looking for isn't in the PhilFCT. For example, blackberry. In the search bar, just key in USDA Food Central. This is the alternate website you can go to. And just like the PhilFCT, it also contains the nutrients present in foods in a per 100 grams edible portion. In the search bar of the Food Data Central, just type the food that you are looking for. For example, blackberry. The portions that I highlighted will tell you how many are available in the list. If you want to know what these categories mean, you can just search on the internet. And then let's say we will try legacy foods. There are 6 foods listed, so let's try raw blackberries. And once you click, all of the nutrients will be revealed. And I guess that's it. I hope I was able to help you. Thank you so much for watching.